Greetings all, Shane Bruce, rest of my daisy. Now we're doing our daily video, and today we're going to demonstrate scraping. Scraping in modern wood finishing has lost a lot of its appeal, but way back in the day, before the advent of electricity or, modern rotary tools, if you wanted to put a groove in a piece of wood, you probably did it with a scraper. Now, scrapers are interesting tools. They're just basically flat pieces of metal that have a square crown and have been equipped with what is called a burr. And as you can see from this video, every time you make a pass, you scrape a very thin layer of wood off. Now, the advantage with scrapers and why they were used by old-timey gunsmiths, and I'm talking guys in the 16th, 17th century, is that on a traditional long rifle, a Kentucky, let's say, the majority of the stock was formed with chisel work, and the rest was scraped. If you ever have an opportunity to go to a museum that's got some actual examples from the time period, you'll notice that this super glossy, super slick approach to wood was not really considered back in the day. The idea of sandpaper hadn't really gotten around, because why would you use a disposable or durable good to shape your wood when you could do it with chisels and scrapers? So, it's not a tribute to the old-time gunsmiths, but on some of these pieces that I work with, especially with the figured maple, the grain pattern is so irregular that it's difficult at times to get a clean cut. And the older methods work pretty well. Well, that's basically an introduction to scraping. This is Shane Bruce, rest of my daisy, signing off.